Gamers of Reddit, what are the strangest things you've heard over an open mic? 1. Was playing League while talking to some guys over TeamSpeak. Dude says he'll be right back but leaves his mic on. Out of nowhere, you hear him and his dad getting into a massive fight. When the fight was nearly over, we heard the dad scream, "And why does your room smell like shit?" And the kid replied, "'Cause I shit in it." Dude hasn't been back online since. 2. Playing Call of Duty a few years back, heard a woman having a really vicious rant towards her husband who was in our team. His wee-wee size was mentioned, his mother was disrespected, and infidelity was confessed. The guy just played on. 3. My GF used to play World of Warcraft a lot and was playing with her guild, and during a break, she started playing with her dog and baby talking to it. She accidentally hadn't muted her mic, so her whole guild was listening, and they kept quiet and recorded it. The audio track was on the guild website for a while.